During testing, exceptions may occur, or the device performance may fall short of your expectation. In this case, you can always reach out to us for assistance. Before contact, it would be great if you could get the operating log of the device, record the performance of the device, and the occurrence time. This may help solve the problem faster. To get the device log, first, open WiFiKit and connect to the device hotspot to access the dashboard. Tap on Debug at the bottom. Tap on Get Log. You can see up there are two options, Basic Log and System Log. The Basic Log refers to the application level operation log. It shows the performance of that layer during device operation. Tap on Basic Log and confirm to access the download page. Upon receiving the command, the device transmits the log file to WiFiKit, and the progress shows 100% after the log is downloaded. Then you can tap Share to share the log using a social app or email. The system log refers to the underlying layer operational log. If the problem involves the performance of the underlying system, we may need your assistance to get the log. During regular testing, no need to pay much attention to or enable this feature. However, I will still walk you through the steps to get the system log. Tap System Log to enable the feature. In this case, the app will keep getting the system log even if you exit this page. You can stop the log getting process if you confirm that the problem has already been reproduced. Then re-enter the system log page and tap Finish to stop the getting. As the system log is large, it will be saved to the memory card by default. Please transmit the log file from the memory card to a computer and then send to us. It should be noted that the enable of the system log get feature may affect the normal operation and use of the device. It is recommended to disable this feature when unnecessary. If this feature is enabled, a dialog will appear for you to disable it each time you open WiFiKit. You can choose whether to disable it according to your business needs. Furthermore, the system log feature is unavailable for some devices due to chip solution. In this case, only basic log will appear in WiFiKit. That's all about getting device logs and all for today. All features updates of this app will be based on this.